Welcome to the fascinating, sometimes stressful, often misunderstood world of tax planning. Think of it as a year-long journey with financial pit stops. Today, we're breaking down the tax planning cycle month by month, with some humor along the way to keep those tax blues at bay. January. It's the start of a new tax year, and your first task is to organize your financial life. Think of it as a New Year's resolution, but instead of go to the gym, it's find that W-2 I stuffed in a drawer. January. Tax to-dos. Gather tax documents, W-2s, 1099s, etc. Review last year's tax return for potential adjustments. Start planning for retirement contributions. Pro tip: label your financial folders. You don't want to hand your accountant a shoebox labeled miscellaneous pizza. February is when the forms start rolling in. It's like tax season's version of Christmas, except the gifts are paperwork and the elves are your employer and financial institutions. February tax tips. Double check all forms for accuracy. Start planning deductions and credits, look into tax software or hire a professional. If you're not sure what to do with a form, don't panic. Just Google it or ask your accountant. And no, shred it immediately is rarely the right answer. March is crunch time for procrastinators. Start organizing your deductions, tallying up business expenses, and double-checking your math. March tax reminders, organize deductions, medical expenses, charitable contributions, etc. Review investment gains and losses. Estimate your tax liability to avoid surprises. Don't forget, if you're counting paper clips as business expenses, the IRS might raise an eyebrow, or both. April is the big show. Tax day. File your return, pay what you owe, and try not to cry into your keyboard. April tax tips. File on time or request an extension. Pay at least 90% of your tax liability to avoid penalties. Celebrate surviving tax season. And if you're getting a refund, congrats, it's like finding out you overpaid your cable bill, except it's your own money coming back. May and June are your recovery months. The stress is behind you, and now it's time to plan for next year. While enjoying a margarita or two, mid-year tax strategies. Review your tax return for lessons learned. Adjust your withholdings if needed. Check in on retirement contributions. It's also a great time to promise yourself, next year I'll start earlier. Spoiler alert, you probably won't. Summer isn't just for BBQs, it's for financial checkups. Mid-year is the perfect time to see if you're on track. Summer tax tips. Review estimated tax payments if self-employed. Look into tax loss harvesting for investments. Check your charitable giving strategy. Think of it as a tune-up for your finances, and yes, a financial checkup pairs nicely with grilled burgers and lemonade. October 15th is the extended deadline for late filers. If you filed for an extension back in April, it's crunch time all over again. October tax tips. File before the extended deadline. Double-check all your documents. Avoid penalties by paying any remaining taxes owed. Just remember, extended deadline isn't code for procrastinate until October 14th. November is when smart taxpayers start their year-end planning. It's like prepping for a holiday feast. You don't want to leave it all to the last minute. November tax moves. Max out retirement contributions. Consider charitable donations for deductions. Harvest investment losses to offset gains. And if you're feeling generous, remember, giving to charity warms your heart and cools your tax bill. December is the last chance to make moves that'll impact your tax return. It's like a financial New Year's Eve complete with fireworks if you do it right. December, tax checklist. Make any last-minute retirement contributions. Review your income and deductions one last time. Celebrate being a tax planning superstar. Don't wait until December 31st at 11:59 p.m. to make those contributions, unless you really love the adrenaline rush. And there you have it, the tax planning cycle. A little preparation each month can save you time, money, and headaches. Now go forth and plan like a pro. Plan smart, tax happy. And remember, tax planning isn't scary. It's just a game of chess, with the IRS as your opponent. Good luck. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who could use some financial bumper lanes. It will help us create more fun and helpful videos like this. See you next time.